So today I'm going to test, I've never used anything like this before, but I'm going to test this battery store. And I bought this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for it. Good or bad, the link will be down there for it. It was like 20 bucks, takes 3 ounces of cell on a 12 volt. So, and this was, what is this? Got 64 ounces, so a half gallon. So we'll see how it does. I'm going to show you the battery here. This is out of a 66 Ford F100. It's just Group 24. And as you can see, January 15th, or January of 2015 is when this was made. It's a Walmart EverStart, and it's 750 cold crank and 925 cranking. And I'd had it when I took this out of the truck. Well, the truck belongs to my son, and I took it out. It was just frozen, absolutely solid. It was below zero out. It was frozen completely solid. So I brought it in, let it thaw out, put it on a slow trickle charge, and I left it there for several weeks on a float charger. And I've got a brand new tester because my OTC that I had since the mid-90s finally died. So I bought this. It seems to work okay. My OTC still does cold cranking amps, and it reads almost identical to what this does. So I think it's fairly accurate. So with that, it comes with all this stuff. I've got first one's battery test and 12 volt. We're going to do out of vehicle, of course. And this is just a regular flooded. I'm going to do cold cranking amps. I'll just put it at 520 where it's at right there. And hit it's going to run test on it. And you can see it's fully charged. There's 13.41 volts, but it only got 168 amps. So I think this is a good battery to test this on because it isn't like dead. You know, it's got something going on there. So I will. What I'm going to do is put 3 ounces in each cell here. So I'm just using a mixing cup here, and this has got 3 ounces in it. And I'm going to fill it up here. Take it kind of slow because I think I got enough out of there to take 3 ounces, but I'm not positive. Yeah, that did good. In fact, I might need to add just a little bit of electrolyte to that because it's still a little low. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other 5 cells there. Throw it on my I've just got a little trickle charger here. I did do this with my big charger and hit it with 125 amps and for 30 seconds, and then drop it down to 2 amps and let it charge for a while, because sometimes that works, but it just wouldn't come back. So like I say, I'm just going to hook this up to it, let it charge for 3 or 4 hours, and I'll come back on the video and see what we get for a test. All right, well, I use this. You know, we're back. Yes, I use this battery store. Put it in its battery. I showed you I had like 100 and I think 50 amps. Before I put it in, I started by charging it with my small charger with just 1.5 amps. Came back in a couple hours, and it had lost like 40 amps. But it had gained, you know, it was like 14.1 volts. So, well, then I guess I'll bring in my big charger, my wheeled charger, and you know, I'll bring it up to 100. What is that? On my 150 amps. So I brought it up 150 amps for like 60 seconds. Brought it back down. You know, it was bubbling pretty good, but it didn't. I checked it right after. It didn't make any difference. So I put it at 25 amps. Let it go for 30 minutes, then dropped it down to 6 amps, and charged it for about an hour. And I came back and I said, well, I'll go ahead and zap it one more time, 150 amps. And all the cells were bubbling, but now this cell's not bubbling at all. So now I go back and check it. Here, put my little tester on here. You know, this little tester is working really well. I'll put a link down below for it. I like it. Out of vehicle, flooded battery, cold cranking amps, and just started at 520 just like I did before. Tests. And see, I got 13.1 volts, 49 amps. I lost 100 amps with putting that restore in. So I don't know. I'll let it sit overnight. I might pull another 3 ounces out of that one cell that's not working and put some more of that restore in. I don't know. But that's what I got right there. You can see. And it actually made it way worse. So my recommendations for it, zip. 20 bucks wasted. I really took a battery that I could have used. All I was looking for with this battery was have it in the truck. I got a lot of electrical issues with it. And I was going to use this just to test those and leave it in there and use that. I'm at that point now. I don't think it'll work for that either. So basically turned a semi-junk battery into a complete junk battery with using the restore. All right, so with that, I'm just going to leave it at that. You know, I'll put the link for all this stuff in down below my video here, and you know, you can make up your own mind, but that pretty well tells you what we wanted to know. Thanks for watching the video, and you have a really blessed day.